So this was the first homework. What will be the answer for first? Put your fingers in the direction of V, so that thumb should be downward. I mean, palm should be downward. Fingers ऐसे आएंगे. palm नीचे की तरफ रहेगा, thumb इधर रहेगा. फिर पॉजिटिव चार्ज है ना, तो पॉजिटिव जेड एक्सिस आएगा इसका आंसर. फर्स्ट का आंसर. ठीक है ना. फिंगर्स इधर, palm down, thumb will come this side like this. In this case, fingers down. What is the answer for this? Fingers down. Thumb should be this side. I mean, palm should be this side. ऐसे कुछ आएगा. ऐसे. Thumb इधर आएगा. Palm should be that side. Fingers should be downward. क्या आंसर होगा इसमें?
X-axis.
Which side? Which side?
Negative. Negative
Why?
X-axis.
Why negative? Thumb तो इधर आ रहा है.
Positive x-axis. Because negative charge, so we have to inverse our.
Because negative is here. Negative. Can you see it? This is negative. So you have to finally reverse the direction of your thumb. Thumb comes this side. So answer will be this side because negative charge. So negative x-axis. Minus x. Last one. Last one is no force because angle is 180 degree. QVB sin theta. Sin 180 is 0.
0.
So no question of force then. All right. So this was the direction finder, direction finding. All right. So this one is simple question. If you apply the field in this direction, current is this side. Current की direction में finger रखो अभी, and palm should be this side. Thumb will be up. That will be ILB. Weight is downward mg. So both will be balanced. Both will be, when both are equal and opposite, so it will be balanced. You know, so ILB is equal to mg. Putting the values. Finding B, which is coming to be 0.667 Tesla. All right. This was the direct question. Short example of NCERT book. This question can be asked with slight changes. Again, can be asked. And suppose if we reverse the direction of current, how much will be the net force downward? No. How much will be the force on the wire, and in which direction? How much will be net force, and in which direction?
Sir, ILB plus mg and in downward direction.
IL will become this side, will be coming this side. Mg is also this side. ILB is equal to mg, so 2 mg will be downward. Both are equal. So it will be equal to 2 mg. All right. Acha, okay. Going back to the previous question. This one. Is there any other way of doing this question? First part, can we do it with any other way? देखो फर्स्ट पार्ट ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, F is equal to Q V क्रॉस B. सेकेंड पार्ट भी ऐसे कर सकते हैं, Q V is what? Jishan, V, what can we write V? You are written negative. Am I correct? But negative of
Yes.
what? There are three negative directions. One is this side, other is this side, other is this side. Only negative is not sufficient. What should be written here?
Sir, J.
Negative. This direction is what? How can be this J? It can be
Sir,
Upper-
minus I.
minus I cap. है ना? तो minus V I cap. ये तो मैग्नीट्यूड रहते हैं ना, और B का मैग्नीट्यूड एंड डायरेक्शन क्रॉस magnitude of B is B only, direction is minus J cap, है ना? तो F is equal to QVB, ये माइनस इंटू माइनस तो प्लस हो गया, I क्रॉस J is equal to K, I क्रॉस J is equal to K cap. कांस्टेंट, ये कांस्टेंट है, बाहर निकल रही है सब, फिक्स मैग्नीट्यूड, तो I क्रॉस J बचा लास्ट में. Can we write like this? So this is your math will help you out, but you should be very confident. ये तो magnitude will be there, I cross J will be K cap. So direction of force is K cap. Same thing you can do it in the second part. Here, second part में you have to write minus outside. Minus because ये minus है. Similarly, V is minus J cap and field is minus K cap. ये minus minus तो हट गया और ये माइनस बचेगा और J cap and K cap cross product will give you I cap. So minus I cap means negative x-axis. So that is the advantage of doing homework, which many of you are not doing at all. एक दिन क्लास के बाहर रहेंगे ना, फिर बराबर होमवर्क करेंगे सभी लोग. If you try, at least you learn new thing. Clear, Jishan? Minus, could you see that minus का फायदा क्या? Minus लगाना है तो और क्या ध्यान रखना है? Clear? Because we have the
Yes.
three negative directions, so we have to be specific. Which negative direction? X-axis here. So I cap. Minus आगे लग दिया. Minus I cap in fact. So this is the other way of doing. All right. If you are not confident with the cross product, I mean this right hand thumb rule of vector products, तो ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. Still, if you forget this I cross J क्या होता है, so what you can do? How will you do it? देखो, other method is what? V cross B चाहिए, मैं Q तो बाद में मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे, फोर्स निकालना है, तो ऐसे करेंगे. V cross B, I cap, J cap, K cap, V के कोफिशिएंट लिख लेंगे. V का कोफिशिएंट क्या है? केवल एक ही डायरेक्शन में माइनस V, लाइक दिस 0 0. डिटरमिनेंट से भी निकाल सकते हैं. इफ यू फॉरगेट I क्रॉस J क्या होता है, particularly bio students, they can further go deep by using the determinant. That will help you out. All right, so moving on to the next one. This was also the question. इसमें फोर्स की डायरेक्शन दी है, करंट दिया है, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड चाहिए. तो सेट योर फिंगर्स एंड थंब तो इधर आना चाहिए, और फर्स्ट fingers should come this side, palm should be towards the field. keep your fingers this side, this way. Fingers को ऐसे रखो. Palm, thumb should be this side, like this. And fingers indicate first vector, that is current. Palm indicate the second vector. Second vector we have to find out automatically. And thumb indicate the last vector, a resultant vector. So this is this side, this is current को तो direction इसमें नहीं देंगे, length vector लेंगे. So palm is facing downward. So minus B is along negative y-axis. ठीक है. Fingers and palm and thumb. These are the deciding factors. Fingers should be toward the first vector, that is I. I means L. Vector length बनाना पड़ेगा. Vector length will be in the direction of I. Palm is downward, then only thumb will be along this direction. So palm direction of palm is downward, so field will be downward. These are the points you have to remember in any case. These are the short questions. Boards examination में only direction की questions ही आते कभी-कभी, 1 marks के question. And without this, you will be facing the troubles in numerical solving and other places. All are interconnected, so you cannot afford to miss these points. This can be done at the end because you need more depth in this question. Okay, now we are going to start that motion in magnetic field. So motion of charge in magnetic field, and whose motion, still we are on same topic only. Motion of charge in magnetic field. So we know the formula F is equal to QVB sin theta. So we are going to discuss 3 cases here. When theta is 0 or 180 degree, no force. That will be the case 1. It is direct. Theta 0 या 180 है. Force is 0. It means charge is moving along the direction of B or opposite to B. In that case, force is not there. It will continue to move in that direction without deviation. Path will be the straight line path. Okay, so nothing much to explain here to you. First case, but second case, if theta is 90 degree, then so many points are to be there to be discussed in that. So that's very important. Very, very important. Case number 2, when theta is 90 degree, what kind of path it will be there? Depending upon path, so many physical quantities are to be found out. Path कैसा होगा जब theta 90 होगा? One more point I want to tell you. F is equal to Q V cross B. So force is always perpendicular to velocity. If force is always perpendicular to velocity, what kind of path, what kind of motion particle will have? Can somebody tell me if force is always normal to the velocity? What kind of path it is going to follow?
Circular motion.
Which type of circular motion? Uniform or non-uniform?
Uniform.
Okay. So it will be uniform circular motion, UCM. Because uniform circular motion में हमेशा force perpendicular रहता है. When the particle is moving this side, force will be toward the center always. Here, then this side, force is always toward the center. So it will be UCM, uniform circular motion. ठीक है, तो path is UCM. So once it is UCM, there are so many points now. Can you find out the radius? Can you find out the speed? Can you find out the kinetic energy, time period, frequency, and angular speed? These are the physical quantities to be found out, and based on each physical quantity, there are the questions in competitive examination, particularly radius and angle and time period or frequency. So let's do the radius first. कितनी radius की बनेगी? How much will be the radius? How to get that radius? Can somebody tell what should be the method to find out the radius of this circular path and what factors it depends? कैसे निकालें radius बोलो? Up to here things are okay. This point, this point, this point, no problem. Now we will be just stick to this point. Theta is equal to 90. So many points we are going to calculate, at least 5 to 6 points. For case number 2, which is theta is 90 degree, means suppose cross field is cross means inward, perpendicularly inward to the plane of paper, and you are projecting the charge particle perpendicular to the field along the paper. ऐसे तुमने being inside the field के अंदर रहकर you project it like this. So what will happen? It will start circulating like this. Depending upon how fast you project, radius will be decided. So being inside, what I told you, being inside you have to project. Yeah. Suppose you are projecting from outside, yeah. Then what will happen? It will make the half circle and will come out. So being inside, if you project, then it is likely to perform circummotion, but don't be too fast. If you are too fast, it may come like this and will go undeviated. Then बाहर निकलते ही जो स्पीड थी उससे चला जाएगा. You have to find the deviation also. If you are projecting very fast, how much it will deviate and come out of the field. So be careful, neither too fast or nor from outside. Now let's see now what is the radius. So how to get the radius first? Radius के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? Only one thing you have to remember. Only one thing for all the derivations I'm telling you. जितने भी derivation है, you have to remember this point. What is this point? Circummotion के लिए centripetal force आना चाहिए. Who is going to provide the centripetal force here? Centripetal force is provided by the Lorentz magnetic force. So it should be equal to QVB. 90 degree है, sin theta will be 1. So this is the one relation will give you all the relations required. If you remember this much only. Centripetal force formula is mv square by r, which is given by the Lorentz force, which is QVB sin theta being 1. Sin 90 is 1. So this is the only one you have to remember. If you forget, immediately come back to this and then get that required results. Now we have to find out the radius now. First one is the radius. So since QVB is equal to this, इसको इधर शिफ्ट कर दिया, ठीक है, R निकालना है हमें. तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया, R इधर लिया, बाकी टर्म्स नीचे ले गए. क्या कैंसिल हो जाएगा? V1 V will go, other will remain. It is mv upon qb, product of mass and velocity divided by charge and magnetic field. All right. Now, suppose electron and proton. One is electron, other is proton, are projected in the same field with the same speed, with the same velocity even. So velocity being same. Okay, the other thing is just okay. These points are okay. Let me show you first this point. No problem here. Anything you want to clarify here? Then we'll move further. Okay. Now radius diagram थोड़ा सा मैं नीचे शिफ्ट कर लूँ क्या इसको? Is there any problem? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
देखो, ओके, देखो यहाँ पे रेडियस निकालना है ना, कैन यू सी रेडियस? तो हमने रेडियस के लिए सॉल्व कर लिया इसको विद दिस सेम रिलेशनशिप एम वी अपॉन क्यू बी, है ना? तो व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू, इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड प्रोटॉन, वन इज इलेक्ट्रॉन, अदर इज प्रोटॉन, सेम स्पीड, सेम मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, सेम 90 degree. So which will have more radius? Which will have more radius? So Q same, I mean V same, B same, Q भी same होता है क्या? Electron and proton का? Is it same or different?
Magnitude is
Yeah. I'm asking magnitude only. Magnitude is same. All right. तो ये तो तीनों same हो गए. Now mass is the deciding factor. More mass of proton, more radius of proton.
Recording in progress.
More mass, more radius, because proton is heavier. It will have more inertia. It will turn slowly. It will have bigger radius. And electron being smaller will have less inertia. It will turn sharp, है ना? But in opposite direction. अगर ये proton इधर जा रहा है, right hand rule से निकाल सकते हैं. Electron will turn like this. This is for proton, this is for electron. है ना? So this question has been asked in boards examination, electron and proton. So depending upon mass, more mass of proton, it will have more radius. Less radius पूछेंगे तो electron का आंसर हो, electron आंसर होगा. Other parameter also you have to remember. They may give you how much should be the velocity. ऐसा भी दे सकते हैं. Electron and protons are projected in same magnetic field. How much should be the velocity of electron as compared to velocity of protons? So that both are having the same radius. So R1 is equal to R2 से कर लेंगे. M1 V1 upon QB, M2 V2 upon QB. QB cancel हो गया. V1 by V2 will be M2 by M1. Inverse ratio of the masses होना चाहिए. इलेक्ट्रॉन की स्पीड जो है प्रोटॉन का जितना मास है उतने बराबर होनी चाहिए. मैग्नीट्यूड में 1836 टाइम्स. 18 का डबल नंबर है 36. तो प्रोटॉन इज 1836 टाइम्स हैवियर. वेलोसिटी उतनी फास्ट कर दो तो रेडियस सेम हो जाएंगे. mv is what? mv किसको बोलते हैं? m into v is which physical quantity? m into v is which physical quantity?
Momentum.
Momentum is indicated by symbol p, which will be equal to q in p upon q into v. P is what? Linear momentum, है ना? और simply momentum लिख रहे हैं. But you have to remember, angular momentum भी होता है ना? So don't get confused with that. Linear momentum. यहाँ पे देखो Q, अगर हम M को नीचे ले आते हैं, Q by M हो जाता है. If you shift it M denominator here, so Q by M is also known as some other name, specific charge of the body. This word is somewhere there in the modern physics. Q by M is the specific charge. Discovery of electron was done by this ratio only. Who are the scientists who got it? electron this charge tube में E by M charge upon mass ratio for every time he got same, then electron was discovered. So Q by M is called specific charge of the particle or body. So if it is given specific charge, so you can just find out it is nothing but Q by M by seeing the dimension unit also. Suppose you forget what is this, unit से भी पता कर सकते हैं unit क्या होगा, कूलम पर kg होगा. So if you don't remember what is this, so observe the unit closely, then you will come to know first what can be this physical quantity. All right. Now, how the linear momentum is related with the kinetic energy? Linear momentum kinetic energy के साथ कैसे related होता है? Kinetic energy is equal to P square by 2m. So P will be under root of 2m K. Under root of twice of mass m into K upon Q into B. ठीक है, मोमेंटम एंड काइनेटिक एनर्जी का ये रिलेशन होता है. And kinetic energy is also equal to Q into V. K is given by Q into V. Because potential is work done per unit charge. Work done is providing the kinetic energy to the charged particle. ये आ जाएगा. K will be Q into V. Remember this always whenever we are discussing about the charge and potential. So this will be the relation used further also in modern physics. Photoelectric effect and all we are using this. So 2m into Q into V upon Q into B. So this V is for velocity. This V is for potential difference. यहाँ पे जो V है, that is potential difference. पहला वाला V is velocity of the charged particle. So this is very important, very, very important for numerical point of view. No problem so far. Note down, these are the most important points going on. Noted. So there are 2-3 questions coming up for this formula. Depending upon what the parameters are given, you have to use kinetic energy is given, better you use this, otherwise you will be just confused. तो kinetic energy अगर दिया तो ये वाला यूज कर लो. Momentum की बात करें, suppose if I ask you electron and proton projected in same magnetic field perpendicular to it with the same momentum, electron and proton का same momentum same है. So which will have the more radius? Which will have the more radius?
Sir, both will have same radius.
Both will have same radius because momentum same है, charge का magnitude भी same होता है, field भी same है 90 degree में. तो momentum same है तो same radius. One will go this side, one will go this side, other will go this side. but velocity same है, so proton will have very large radius because its mass is very large. Read the question carefully and then decide the answer. Don't be in a hurry. ठीक है, so I am giving you a question based on this. Let's see what is that, or based on this, maybe this or this. देखते हैं, नहीं ये वाले पे देखो. Alpha particle and proton are projected perpendicular to the same field with the same kinetic energy. Find the ratio of their radii. This is homework problem. Important है ये. Not down fast, then we'll see further questions. Okay. This one is also there. This also do it. Already first part is done. First part इसका हो गया. You have to focus on the second part. Field is inverted. राइट हैंड रूल यूज करके डायरेक्शन आ जाएंगी, प्रोटॉन की भी इलेक्ट्रॉन की भी. Field is indicated here, means everywhere it is present. It is completely surrounded like this. In place of drawing all these, just this much is enough. Okay, done, noted.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll see next. This is also one of the questions asked in competitive examination. Good question. Neutron, proton, electron, and alpha particle enter region of constant magnetic field with the equal velocity. V same है सबका. Magnetic field is along the inward normal to the plane of the paper. The tracks of the particles are labeled in the figure. Electron follows which track and alpha particle follows which track. So this is very easy. Do you remember alpha particle का charge कितना होता है? twice the charge of proton, 2e के बराबर होगा। मास कितना होगा? 4 times of mass of proton. Okay. This point you need in the previous question also, here also. Proton alpha particle is having 4 nucleons in its nucleus. 2 are protons, 2 are neutrons. So neutrons are approximately equal to protons in terms of masses. तो अल्फा पार्टिकल का मास 4 प्रोटॉन्स के बराबर है, क्लोज टू 4 प्रोटॉन्स। Which particle will be C?
Neutron.
Why neutron?
Because it is no charge around.
Neutron is no charge, तो undeviated चला जाएगा। Q is 0 on neutron, so it will go undeviated. But this is not asked. This is asked. इलेक्ट्रॉन कौन सा होगा? A, B और D, and अल्फा पार्टिकल A, B और D. A, B, D में एक अल्फा पार्टिकल होगा, एक प्रोटॉन होगा, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन होगा। So this you have to identify. You can identify with the formula known as R is equal to mv upon qb. This will help you out. Why? Because V is same. Equal velocities. So easier question comparatively. You can just give a thought and do it. It is no big deal. Electron भी तो identify कर सकते हैं. Proton and alpha particle have the positive charge. So 2 particles turning this side means one will be alpha particle, one will be proton. We don't know which one will be. But electron is odd man out. Negative charge है. It will go opposite. This is electron. So ये हो गया D. One part I have done it for you. D, because it is odd man out, being negative charge will turn in opposite direction to the alpha particle and proton. But बचा क्या लास्ट वाला? अल्फा पार्टिकल निकालना है। A और B, तो रेडियस का फार्मूला लगा के मिल जाएगा वो। रेडियस का फार्मूला विल टेल यू विच विल हैव मोर रेडियस, है ना। तो रेडियस कैसे पता लगेगी? इफ यू कंप्लीट द सर्कल, इसका रेडियस समझ लो ऐसा है, इसका रेडियस बड़ा है, so B is having bigger radius, A is having a smaller radius. So use the formula R is equal to mv upon qb will give you the correct answer. Do it this yourself. इलेक्ट्रॉन की रेडियस छोटी होनी चाहिए ना, they should have shown it like this. Same speed से इलेक्ट्रॉन will have lesser radius. Anyway, that not to the scale, but just opposite is enough to identify. Turning in opposite direction is enough to identify. Now others जो है, I told you velocity, kinetic energy, time period and all, they are very just easy to get. The same formula से अभी now theta is equal to 90 पे velocity निकालनी है. Going back to same formula, और radius वाला जो formula था उसी से v हम separate कर सकते हैं. Anyway, again equated and solved it for v. Same formula, radius वाला ही formula देखो, m इधर आ जाएगा, q भी नीचे. So from that formula, our main formula, we can solve it for v. That is the velocity with which it will move. It is at 90 degree per velocity निकालनी है, तो q, b, r and mass is required. And after getting the velocity, kinetic energy can be found out. These cases are of 90 degree. Second case we are continuing now. Kinetic हाँ
सर अंडर रूट में आएगा ना?
नहीं, एक वीक कैंसिल हो गया ना, देखो.
ओके सर.
काइनेटिक एनर्जी इज हाफ एम स्क्वायर, वी की वैल्यू यहाँ से पुट कर दो ये वाली, तो एम, एक एम नीचे एम स्क्वायर होगा, ऊपर एम है, एक एम कैंसिल हो जाएगा, एक एम बचेगा, क्यू स्क्वायर बी स्क्वायर आर स्क्वायर बाई 2m। काइनेटिक एनर्जी चाहिए तो यहाँ से इफ यू कैन रिमेम्बर फाइन, अदरवाइज यू कैन जस्ट डिराइव इट। और इसका टाइम पीरियड निकालना है तो कैसे निकालेंगे, जस्ट टेल मी हाउ टू गेट द टाइम पीरियड ऑफ दिस। Time period is the circumference divided by the speed, 2 pi r by v. तो v की वैल्यू पुट कर दो, r by v पुट कर दो सीधे यहाँ से, r by v को इधर ले आओ, m अपन q भी नीचे आ जाएगा, r by v q भी by m, r by v m by q भी, हाँ ये आ जाएगा। या पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ v फ्रॉम हियर, सीधा पूरी वैल्यू पुट कर दो, you will get this relation which is independent of velocity and radius both. So this is important find, very important point. ना तो velocity पे डिपेंड कर रहा है, ना तो रेडियस पे डिपेंड कर रहा है, किस पे डिपेंड कर रहा है, मास एंड चार्ज एंड फील्ड पर। ठीक है, दिस इज इम्पोर्टेंट, ये आया अभी तक क्वेश्चन। टाइम पीरियड डिपेंड्स अपॉन वेलोसिटी और रेडियस, तो इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ वी आर only depends upon mass q भी है ना, mass more means more time period, d मूव करेगा, q more means less time period, b more means less time। Suppose होता है actually what is happening here, if you project fast, इसमें अगर तुमने बहुत फास्ट प्रोजेक्ट किया, if you project fast it will have bigger radius and it will take same time, if you project slow it will have less radius, दोनों में टाइम सेम रहेगा। If you projecting fast, it will take bigger path and come back to same point in same time period, as if you project slow then it will take a smaller path. So independent of velocity and radius, it depends upon mass, है ना? More mass means more time period and charge, particle कितना charge है कितना, clear? तो इसमें ऐसे बोलेंगे if velocity is doubled, what is the effect on time period? No change, no change, as long as you don't change the particle, q and m change नहीं कर रहे। अगर radius is doubled, suppose बोलेंगे radius is doubled, what is the effect on time period? No change। रेडियस डबल होती कैसे, जब तुम फास्ट फेंकोगे उसको वेलोसिटी भी डबल कर रहे हैं, यहाँ से देखो ये वेलोसिटी डबल कर रहे तो रेडियस भी डबल हो जाएगी, ये कैंसिल ही हो जाता है इफेक्ट उसका। फ्रीक्वेंसी इसका रेसिप्रोकल होगा, देखो क्यू भी ऊपर आ जाएगा और 2 पाई नीचे आ जाएगा, 1/t होता है, और एंगुलर स्पीड 2 पाई f होता है, f की वैल्यू यहाँ से पुट कर दो, ये 2 पाई इधर आ जाएगा, तो ये तुम्हारा यहाँ 2 पाई कैंसिल हो जाएगा, ये वाला 2 पाई इसके साथ कैंसिल हो जाएगा, क्यू वी अपॉन एम। ठीक है, दैट्स ऑल, जस्ट ये क्वेश्चन ट्राई कर लेना, फिर लिख लिया, ये देख लो, ऑल द पॉइंट्स शोन टुगेदर, देखो ये वाला। इसका रेसिप्रोकल फ्रीक्वेंसी होता है, तो फ्रीक्वेंसी को ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, v अपॉन 2 पाई r, है ना, v ऊपर आ जाएगा, 2 पाई r नीचे आ जाएगा। मतलब ये तुम्हारा क्वेश्चन है, ये डायरेक्ट फार्मूला बेस्ड है, सॉल्व एग्जांपल। इसमें आर पूछा है, एम अपन क्यू भी, एवरीथिंग इज गिवन हियर। सॉल्व एग्जांपल यू कैन जस्ट कंप्लीट, है ना। और फ्रीक्वेंसी का सिंबल न्यू यूज करते हैं, न्यू, which is v upon 2 pi r, इसका reciprocal I told you. Better you can use this formula also, but they use इसका reciprocal v upon 2 pi r, है ना, 1 by f होता है, तो v ऊपर आ गया, तो they use this formula, doesn't matter. And energy half mv square, तो लेकिन पूछा एनर्जी keV में निकालना है, तो keV में किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, किलो इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट, 1.6 into 10 to the power -16, किलो भी है ना आगे, तो इन्होंने ईवी की वैल्यू दी है, किलो में 10³ मोर, इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दो जूल, पहले जूल में निकाल लो, बिकॉज ऐसा यूनिट है ये सब, तो ईवी में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए, और किलो ईवी में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए इससे मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, ये देखो ये आ जाएगा। तो दिस इज डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट्स ऑल फ्रॉम माय साइड। होमवर्क क्वेश्चन यू डू इट एंड सेंड इट, एनीथिंग यू वांट टू आस्क, you can ask, you are free from my side.